Welcome to Best Gadget channel.
Right off the bat, you'll notice the 900 comes with speakers in the front and a 3-inch viewing screen. Turn to the back to find the camera, which can rotate 45 degrees left to right or up and down. Setup takes only a few minutes by first adding the plate and removing the plastic from the sticker. The power adapter is plenty long and connects at the top of the camera and can easily be hidden in the door frame, under the mat, and around the console. CR900 comes with a rear camera with a 240-degree rotation. Installation is the same as before. After the plastic is removed, placed in the center of the windshield. The cable plugs in next to the power cord and is double the size, allowing more than enough length for a large SUV. Once the car is turned on, the screen illuminates with a view of the front and rear cameras. An SD card is needed to record, which can be inserted on the side above the controls to navigate through the camera's functions. To change any of the settings, press the OK button on the other side. Crosstour allows you to change resolution, display, select a loop recording time, switch on mirror image, adjust HDR, measuring units, exposure, and turn on motion detection. You can also turn the audio off, add a date stamp, and activate the G sensor, which will automatically record and save footage if ever in a crash. Pressing the up arrow will change the view between the front and back cameras, while the bottom arrow switches off the microphone. The M button on the right side allows different stats to be displayed and playback footage. Crosstour makes it easy to protect important videos by just pressing the lock button. The screen can also be dimmed while recording for distraction-free driving, and pressing the OK button will manually record. Crosstour has the ability to add a license number, select a variety of languages, and turn on the fatigue driving feature to be notified once a certain amount of driving has occurred. And if it couldn't get any better, the CR900 is GPS compatible.
Introducing BlackVue DR750S 2-channel IR, cloud dashcam with interior infrared camera. The DR750S 2-channel IR is the perfect camera for taxi and rideshare drivers looking to capture both the road ahead and the interior of their vehicle in full HD. The front camera with Sony Starvis sensor records in 60 frames per second, producing bright and fluid videos night and day. Equipped with infrared LEDs, the interior camera guarantees clear videos of inside your vehicle, even in complete darkness. DR750S 2-channel IR includes Wi-Fi and cloud compatibility, so you can check on your car from anywhere, anytime with the BlackVue app. As every other BlackVue, DR750S 2-channel IR features buffered parking mode with impact and motion detection. It works wonders in conjunction with live auto upload to save footage to the cloud in real time, so you get video proof even in case of dashcam theft. BlackVue DR750S 2-channel IR. Secure your vehicle inside and out. Find yours at blackvue.com.
Introducing the stunning Advanced. REQ Singh V1P Pro Dash Camera. It's the first to market dual full HD innovative recording solution. Both front and rear cameras record in full 1080p HD with single channel recording of up to 4K resolution. Wide dynamic range allows for visual clarity in all types of light and conditions, and the 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lenses gives you the power to see everything that's happening around your vehicle. The V1P Pro is equipped with a gravity sensor that automatically detects impacts and starts recording immediately. This emergency footage is then locked, so you can use it later as evidence. It's the latest innovation in peace of mind. And we didn't stop there. The REQ Singh V1P Pro Dash Camera also includes a built-in GPS system, allowing you to log time and date, location, and speed information for all your recordings without the use of another external GPS. The REQ Singh Connect app links your mobile device to the dash cam, so you can view, save, and share footage instantly at any time. Powered by a supercapacitor, the camera can withstand extreme heat and cold, which ensures more uptime and reliability in any climate. The REQ Singh V1P Pro Dash Camera, your roadside eyewitness.